Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back to V class. What are we going to look at today? We're going to look at an opportunity that allows us to make money online without investment. Have you heard about Surveyor? Have you heard about Surveyor.com? Let's look at it. Surveyor responds. It responds to surveys and earn up to 262,500 per month. This is a very good one, right? So let's go into it. Before I go into it, all you just need to do is to subscribe to my channel, like our videos, and as well you can share it. Okay, so let's look at it. Response to survey and earn up to 262,500. It is possible, right? Earn money online for free. Earn money online from home. Get rewarded with Amazon, PayPal, and as well bank transfer. This is good, right? So let's look at how much would you like to earn each day. Up to 35,000, up to 70,000, up to 70,000 more and more. So you make your choice here. So what would you do next? In accordance with Article 38 and following of the Informatic Act Library Law, as well as Article 15 to 22 to General Data Protection Regulations EU 2016/679 of April. So you have the right to access, modify, rectify, and delete personal data concerning you by sending this form. Accept that the information entered will be processed and used by the C Global Europe. So first all you just need to do is to make your choice here. How much would you want to earn? Maybe we should go with this. So the next thing that you just need to do is to come to this place to fill in here quickly. So here you're going to choose an email of your choice. Okay, you're going to choose an email of your choice here. Then here you're going to create a password. Here you choose your country. Here you choose your date of birth. Okay, you can choose your date of birth here. Choose a month of your choice. I'm picking randomly because I just need to fulfill this tutorial. So when you click on continue, we will come to agree. So you click on to agree. After clicking on to agree, it will sign you up. You are a second away from starting to earn money. To be able to start Surveyor paid service, please complete your profile. Okay, so you come to this place to complete your profile. You're going to go to fill in your address and many more. So the next thing you have to do here is to click on save my informations. Now account has been successfully validated. Okay, access survey. So if you come to this place to access survey, say complete today's surveys and earn cash. So start surveying now to earn cash. Okay, so I'm going to click on access survey. Right, we're going to click on access survey. So you come here to click on access survey. So if you click on access survey, then you start performing your survey and start earning for yourself. Click on here. You can see here. So the first survey here says participate in survey. This is 5 minutes to win 115 naira. Okay, you can come to this place as well to enable a web alert so that whenever there is any available survey, you will be notified. You can just come to this place to enable the alerts. Okay, you click on this place in order to what? To start the survey. Say share your opinion on things that matters. Start the survey. You're going to click on this place to start the survey. You agree, yes. You say, okay, carefully read the questions and consider all the options before submitting the correct answer. If you failed, if you fail to pass our quality controls while completing the survey will be terminated immediately and you will be screened out. Okay, so counting back from 5, what number follows? So counting back down from 5. So what is it saying? Say counting back, like going back from 5. What number follows 4? You gotta take it 3. They're just technical questions that you just need to attend to. And so what is your year of birth? What's your year of birth? What did I pick there? Ha. You're gonna go into take 4. Actually, I've forgotten what I picked there. You're gonna go into take 0407 1999. I think this is what I picked there. So you're gonna go into click on OK. So I say you need to enter a valid date of birth. Okay. So e.g. 1984. Okay. We're gonna go to all those things you need to pay attention to them. We're doing this from the scratch so that every one of us can understand. Okay, so you're only going to put the year. So which English do you speak? Which language do you speak? English is actually automatic. And which other language again? Do I choose French? See, you can choose any of those languages. The only thing you need is to go to Google Translate, to make use of the Google Translate and fix yourself. So you can choose anyone here, so that you can gain a lot of classes. Japan, Indonesia, Hindi, yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. So you're just gonna click on continue. What's your gender? Male. Okay, what's your zip code? I'm gonna put 900010. I think that's what I used over there. So prefer not to say. So select your locations and continue. Portugal and Nigeria. I do not see my locations. So click on this zip code as a zip code. So for you to be sure about your zip code, you need to go to check. Okay, don't care do that. You need to check your zip code or to the Google so that you can really understand so you're gonna go into fill in these questions gradually. Please indicate which of the following best describe your primary area of employment: agriculture, forestry, art, entertainment, broadcasting, constructions, education. Let's just say education because we like teaching a lot of things. So please specify your ethnicity: Arab, Asian, black, white. Yeah, black, actually, because I'm an African. And please indicate your total household income. Let me say you can just choose any one of your choice here so that you can just go on. So what's your primary role in your organization's owner and partner, or partner owner? So approximately how many employees works for you? Maybe I should just take this. I'm just picking this randomly so that I'm just picking this randomly for the sake of this tutorial. Now they're telling me thank you, so I just got to click on it. Okay, so thank you for your feedback. Profile complete. So you can see that currently my profile is actually completed. So the next thing you just need to do is to keep waiting or keep checking back for a survey that will be able to pay you. Wow, someone eats all surveys. Okay, if someone eats all surveys, then no P. We gotta come back next time in order for us to continue this survey.